both are the angle formed by the line of sight and the horizontal. Suppose you see, I want to see this electric ball. Here, are you yes or no? So suppose scale like on scale. Suppose this is my eye position. Here, are you yes or no? Yes, so according to my eye position, the ground is what? The horizontal. Clear? Yes or no? So when I look after the object, what will happen? I will raise my yes or no? Suppose this is this position as it is a horizontal level. In this case, what will happen? I will raise my head to look the object. Yes or no? So at that time, there is an angle formed between your horizontal line and this line is called line of sight. The line between the point object and that is object viewed and eye. That is known as what? Line of sight. So the angle formed between what? That is your horizontal level and when we raise our head to look after the object, it means the object is where? That is above the horizontal. Clear? Are you yes or no? So same thing is there. That is here is a lizard. Okay? Near the ball, suppose here is a lizard. Here he found there is a insect. Here is the insect. Clear or not? Are you yes or no? So at that time, this line will be what? The horizontal line. Here? And at that time, what will happen? That to look the object, you will what? Lower your head. That is when this case, when you are the top of the rope. Here, suppose anyone that is moving on the rope. At that time, you will what? That is you will lower your head. Yes or no? Yes, to view the object. In this case. This is a suppose dog. Okay, you are standing that is top of the rope. Suppose you want to look the dog. What will happen? That is you will lower your head. Here to look the object. So at that time, the angle formed between the line of sight that is horizontal level. This is my horizontal level. What my point? Yes. Are you yes or no? Yes. So when I look, suppose that projection machine, at that case, what will happen? I will raise my head. So there is an angle formed between this horizontal line and then the line of sight. That angle is known as what? Depression, and when you lower your head, only these two things are there. Here, only you will what? That is, it is very easy for you if you will draw the figure with a right manner. What my point? Nothing is there. Solving is very easy. What my point? Are you yes or no? Let us discuss again. Stop.